Your focus is being destroyed.
You think it's your lack of discipline. They're stealing your attention. And the worst part? Your brain starts believing this is normal. Every scroll, every notification tightens the chain until you don't even notice it's there. But here's the good news. Your focus isn't gone. It's simply been trained in the wrong direction. And that means you can train it back. So let's start with the first step. Don't let your attention decide for you. You decide where it goes.
Because your attention is just like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. And the more you ignore it, the weaker it gets.
So here's exercise 1. For the next 10 minutes, choose just one task. And don't let anything steal your attention. It sounds simple, but your brain will fight back. It'll tell you to check your phone, open another tab, do anything except staying focused. And if you fail after 30 seconds, don't quit. Start again, because every restart is another repetition for your focus. Step 2. Make distraction harder than focus. Put your phone away and let your brain breathe for a while. Your brain isn't addicted to your phone. It's addicted to constant stimulation. Here's your first challenge. Remove every distraction. No phone, no notifications, just one task and nothing else. Do this every day, and you'll notice something incredible. Your mind becomes quieter, and your focus starts feeling natural again. Step 3, learn to be bored again. Because boredom isn't your enemy, it's where deep focus begins. The moment you stop running from silence, your mind starts rebuilding itself. That's where real concentration is born. Remember, the people who control their attention eventually control their future. The choice is yours. And that's exactly how it happens. Not in one big decision, but in hundreds of tiny ones, every single day. So don't wait for motivation. Protect your attention first, and motivation will follow. True strength is built in silence. You have to push past your limits every single day. Consistency is the only way.
One day, you'll look back and realize your biggest enemy was never the algorithm. It was every moment you chose not to control yourself. Nothing changes after watching this video. Unless you make one decision. Right now.
If you're taking your focus back, prove it. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.